Right, so in the last part I left you with this problem. We are pretty much well on to posting out our news. We've done that and we've posted each record. If you don't understand why we've posted each record, this is because it's in a loop. So we're looping through every record that is found via this query here, which will get everything from news, and then we're just getting the data using our associative array. Like I said, if you're not sure about arrays, check out my tutorial. Then we're just echoing out this code. So it's pretty easy to echo out some data inside a database. If you have several records, it's really easy to do. Just use this method every time and you're guaranteed to get results. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here now is we need to fix this issue with body. Now inside our database, if you have a look, we've got just edit one of these. We've got like new lines here and we've got a new paragraph here. Now how can we do that inside PHP? Or when we display the PHP, because at the moment we've got, hi there, I hope this works, new paragraph. That's not a new paragraph. The way we do this is we have to use the NL2BR function. So basically this will allow for line breaks, line paragraphs, as in a paragraph is the same as 2 line breaks. So what will happen is we'll just have to end this echo. I mean, I'm doing this really simply just so you can guys get a hang of it. We can start another echo here, so this body is a completely separate variable here, so we're echoing out the rest of this and echoing out the start of this, and all we need to do here is say echo NL2BR and shove that inside our body there, or shove that body variable inside this function. Obviously you can write it all inside the echo. You're just going to have to use single dots for to append things on, but for now this is just the easiest way of showing it, I think. Okay, so if we refresh that now, there we go. So we've got our new paragraphs and our new lines, so that's pretty much sorted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bold this title out here, and that just makes it look a bit distinctive. So we've got our news posted here. That's pretty much that. I can leave you guys to do the design. That's basically it. So now what I want to do is go on to the posting into the database. So we're going to be posting our own data in. So we've got our form out here and we're posting to post.php, which is this page, so we're self-posting and we're using the post method. So a lot of posting going on. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to get some PHP tags up here. Just insert some PHP tags there. Remember, we can embed them in. So we've got PHP extension here. And what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say if, and then create like a huge block of code here. And I'm going to say if $_post. Now what this does is it determines whether the post button has been clicked. Remember, we've got our submit button here, name is post, and that's the reason I've put that post in here. Whatever you call it would go in here. This just says does it exist, has it been posted. If it has, we're going to run this block of code, otherwise we're not going to do anything, so we don't need an else on here. So if it has been posted, we're basically going to get the data, and the way to do this is we need to get the title and we need to get the body. So the title is $_post title, that's the variable name we gave it, so make sure you match your variable, and then we've got $_post body, and then we're going to do a quick check. So check for an existence, if I've spelled it right, and we're going to say if, make a block of code, we're going to say if title and body, so if they both exist basically, and then otherwise we're going to, well, we're not going to die, we're going to echo please fill out title and body, and then paragraph that down. Okay, so otherwise we're going to echo insert. Okay, that's just a quick test. If we go back and click on post, okay, so we're not going to type a title and body, we're going to click post news, and we get please fill out title and body. If we fill them out with anything and click post, it's still not working. Okay, let's check if have title and body. Title, that's why we haven't given the text area a name, so this is going to say, I'm going to say name equals body, and then we can come in here, type a load of rubbish in, click post this news, refresh the page, click post this news, and we've got the insert being echoed out. So we've validated our form, out, and we can now get ready to insert some data. So I'm going to say insert data. We need to connect to our database again, so like I said, you can use your include connect.php if you've seen this before. Otherwise, I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it just up here. There we go. Okay, so we are now going to get onto inserting our data. I'm going to create again a variable name called insert, or a variable. This time I'm going to call it insert, and this is going to be MySQL query, and this is a bit different, but it's pretty much easy. If you know SQL, that's cool. If you don't, learn it. It's pretty easy to sort of insert and grab from databases. We're just going to use insert into users values, then we're going to have some brackets, and we need 4 of these because we're inserting our ID here, our title here, our body here, and our date here, which reminds me we need a date thing. So our date is going to be equal to date, and we're going to use the YMD format. So this is the long year, month and day. And here we're going to say nothing in our ID, we don't need anything inserted because this is auto increment. Here, title, if we go up we can see that I call this title, which is our posted title, and the same over here for the body, and then obviously we're putting our date inside there. And then what we can do is we can say or die MySQL, oh, not query, MySQL error. Okay, so that's pretty much that done. And then here we can just say die your news has been posted. Okay, so we could say return, no, I can't be able to link it back, I'm running out of time anyway. Okay, so that's pretty much that. If we come into here now, let's just refresh this. Okay, so title, more test news, hello, and then new line. Okay, now we can click post this news. Column count doesn't match value row, right, okay. Let's check this out, 1, 2, 3, 4. I tell you what, I don't know why I called this users. I think I've been doing too many sort of user login things. Insert into news, that's where we're inserting. So let's refresh, resend the data I just sent. Your news has been posted. Okay, right, I apologize for that. If you're following, I'm sorry if you sort of messed that up. Right, so we're going to go into news.php, come down, and we've got more test news posted on blah blah blah, the date that it is today, hello, and new line. So that's pretty much it. One more thing that you can add to this inside our news.php is we can say select star from news, order by ID descending. And what this will basically do is if we go back here and refresh, you can see that I've got it in time order. I mean, you can order it by the date, but by ID is presumably the order that it's been posted. We've got the most recent at the top and the least recent at the bottom. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you've got any questions, just give me sort of like an email or something, and I'll try my best to help. Alright, thanks a lot. I hope this was useful, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.